was a boat drifting out into sea. I had
Welcome to another episode of NJ Bass. What are the conditions like today, Jason?
Crap.
That is correct. But we are going to tough it out, try and make it work, and catch some hogs. I'm going to start out flipping this Mike's mini flip missile jig in Bama Craw, I think this is. Pretty sure this is Bama Craw. Because right now it's super duper shitty out and the water's probably murky. So they're might be able to see this one better. Who knows?
Oh yeah.
Hold on,
Oh my god. I just put my finger on the fucking hook.
it's long, but got one.
Oh,
What the hell? What the hell?
oh,
Did you see that, Jason? Did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you see that bite? Dude, that was look how light colored they are. All right, dude, these fish are looking saucy right now. It's kind of small, but it's super duper light colored, which is weird. That one. Jason, choked. What the hell? I'm having so much trouble pitching right now. I used the zero gravity jig. It's actually kind of cool, but like it sinks so slow that it's kind of annoying. Yeah, I was fishing at a green turtle because I had never used it, so I was like, oh, oh. Got one. Mr. Skinny Fish. I didn't even realize how close it was to the tip. Just click this reel. There you go. It's good. Thank you. Not a hog, but a pretty good fish. It's white and it's like perfection.
I think he's casting like 2 feet from the boat this time.
Did you see that? Sorry, little buddy. Didn't mean to hit your feelings. I was reeling it in.
Babies love it.
Oh, yeah, that's a money shot right there. Money shot. Money shot.
No,
Look.
Seagulls again.
How did it let go of it? How did it let go of it? It was. No. Get the out of here.
Money shot.
Look at the head on that thing.
I stole your big fish.
It's not that big. It's just got a
It has a
huge head, but no length to it.
What is this? I don't